Hey folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be installing a 2-inch front leveling kit on a 2005 Toyota Sequoia. You can get this done with basic hand tools, so you'll need to round up some metric sockets, some metric wrenches, and some metric Allen keys. That said, let's head over to the shop. Once the truck's up in the air, remove the sway bar link. There's a nut down by the control arm, a nut up by the bar itself, and then it just wiggles out. Then you'll want to mark the alignment cams on the lower control arm bolts so that you can line everything back up later. Now you can loosen those lower control arm bolts, but make sure that they don't come all the way out. Next, pull out that big fat bolt that connects the strut to the lower control arm. Give it a little tap with a drift if it gets stuck. Moving underneath, remove the 4 bolts that attach the lower ball joint to the hub assembly so that the control arm can swing free. Finally, undo the upper strut mount nuts from the top of the shock tower. There are 3, and make sure you've got a good hold of the strut before you pull the last one, because from there it just slides out of the truck. Over at the bench, slide the lift spacer onto the upper strut mount and tighten the factory mounting hardware down to 47 foot-pounds. Now slide that strut back into the truck and install the included bolts and washers into the upper strut mount. Tighten them down to 47 foot-pounds as well. Now reinstall the lower strut mount bolt and run its nut down to 100 foot-pounds. Reattach the 4 bolts that connect the lower ball joint to the control arm. Tighten those to 117 foot-pounds. Reinstall that sway bar link. The lower nut is going to get 51 foot-pounds, and the upper nut gets 14 foot-pounds. Finally, line up those marks on the lower control arm cams and tighten the bolts down to 96 foot-pounds. From here, you're ready to roll. So we got the 2-inch leveling kit installed on the front of our Toyota Sequoia, and we're really thrilled how easy it went. That said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like. If this is your first time checking out our channel, please hit subscribe. As usual, if you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this quite a long time, so if you've got a question, we've got an answer. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.